So the things you will need is Maida, which is all-purpose flour, Besan, which is like chana powder, and Suji, and you need powdered sugar, cardamom, a pinch of cardamom, and one and a half cups of oil, and some pistachios and the almonds. You can put how much ever you want. This is for the toppings. So let's get started. In this you'll add your maida. That's funny. And some besan, the suji, the powdered sugar, and the cardamom, and the oil. So now you will mix all of these ingredients. Now I would recommend you to use a spatula in the beginning, and then you can use your hands. If you don't have a spatula, just use a spoon in the beginning. Helps you scrape down the sides really well. 1, 2, 3. So I'll put the measurements down below in the description. Okay, so we have our dough now. Now let's do how we do the rolling. So now we will roll the balls. I'll show you one, then I'll do the rest. So you roll them into balls like a cookie, but here comes the fun part. You're gonna make a tiny little hole and put some pistachios. I crushed them so you don't have too much in your mouth, because you know it won't taste that good then. Okay, lay them on. Now I have put in all of my Nankhatais on the tray. Now we'll put this in 350 Fahrenheit for minutes. How much your So now I'll preheat the oven to bake in 350 to 15 minutes. There. Now you'll put this in the oven. See our Nankhatais. Wow, these look good. Now we have our Nankhatais. They have cooled, so I'm going to show you the inside. Well, these are not cracking. Look at those. So it has like it's like a cookie with some cardamom and pistachio. It's really good. Camera guy, he's eating my Nankhatai.